For this guitar, this is a Gibson Les Paul Deluxe. You see the Deluxe. A lot of people think it's an Epiphone. Gibson bought out Epiphone, so they do make Epiphone guitars now. But this is an actual Gibson. It's a Tobacco Sunburst. And I actually wanted a Les Paul for ages, and I never had one. And a good friend of mine went on eBay and purchased this guitar for me without my knowledge. And
another friend?
Yeah, but he didn't buy it for me. I was just looking for one, and he said, "Hey, do you like this one?" I said, "Yeah, I'd love to have that guitar, but you know, I couldn't put the money down on it." So he put the money down for me. I paid him back, and I was so happy. This thing came in the mail. It was on my doorstep when I got home. Nobody stole it, thank God. You know, can you believe it? The mailman left it on my doorstep, so it sat there all day. But I am so happy with it. I had the machine heads replaced. I went to a really good guitar luthier, and it was kind of sticking right here on the nut. One of the strings was out of tune all the time, so I took it to him. He put a new nut. He put these new machine heads on that they just clamp down right here. You don't even use a tool on them. You just wind them, and it automatically breaks the string off. You tighten them up, and it's tuned up, it's done. You don't even have to have winds on them. So I don't know, a lot of people don't know this, but you know how you stretch out the strings when you put new strings on a guitar? With these machine heads, you never have to stretch out the string. The reason you stretch out the string is not because it stretches, but because the winds aren't tight enough. So since there's no winds around your nut right there, I mean your post, then since there's no winds, it's not going to stretch out at all. So it's not going to go out of tune. It still holds its tune really well. Even if I break a string, it's still in tune, so I can keep playing, which is great. It's kind of heavy. I don't like to play it all night long. You know, if I'm doing a 5-hour set, boy, this guitar gets heavy, but, you know, it's good for the rock stuff. I like it for the rock stuff. Okay, let me just show you what I'm talking about with these machine heads right here. Okay, they look normal from the front, but it's so easy to change a string with these. You put your string through normally, you pull it through a little hole right here, pull it up as tight, you know, just hold it finger tight, and then there's these little screws in the back, they twist like this, and you just tighten them. And then you turn your machine head just tight enough to where it's maybe a quarter turn, turn it up, and it snaps the string like that. So it clips the end off, and it holds it tight. So look at my guitar from the front. You see there's no winds on the strings at all. See, they're just pulled maybe a quarter turn just to tune them up, and that's it. So these are really, really handy, especially when you're doing live gigs, because it's really fast to change a string, and they don't go out of tune once you put them in there and tighten them up. They stay in tune really well, and you don't have to stretch them out or anything, which is great. Okay, so if you're wondering how to get these kind of machine heads, your local music store will probably carry these. If not, you can order them online, but they're probably, I think they run around $50 in that range, and then you have to get them installed. You can't do it yourself unless you really know what you're doing. You know, if you're a guitar luthier, which is a technician that works on guitars, that builds guitars from hand, you know, that repairs guitars, or if you know a guitar luthier, that's great. That would be a great choice. Otherwise, your local music store that carries these things should be able to refer you to somebody, or should be able to have somebody in hand that does this kind of work and will mount these for you. They can be done pretty quickly, and they'll maybe charge anywhere from $50 to $100 to install them. You can put them on any kind of guitar. If you have a guitar with an inverted headstock, which is a Strat style guitar with the headstock flipped backwards, it might be harder to find the right matching machine heads like this, because they have to match up with the string, and they have to be adjusted for the headstock of the guitar. So, you know, things that are more standard, like your Les Paul and your Fender Strat, those kind of things, you'll be able to find these machine heads for. Yeah, you can put them on acoustic guitar. You know, machine heads are machine heads, so they should be able to go on acoustic guitar, no problem.